In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check keyword search volume in Semrush. Knowing the search volume for keywords is crucial for crafting effective SEO strategies, whether you're tuning into new trends or aiming to optimize your content for better reach. Let's dive into the world of Semrush to uncover how you can easily get this information in a few straightforward steps. To start things off, open up your favorite web browser. Once that's up, simply search for Semrush. You'll want to navigate to Semrush's website, which is your go-to tool for SEO analytics, keyword research, and much more. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But if you do, just log in with your existing credentials. Once you're in, you'll have access to a wealth of information at your fingertips. Now, for the next step, navigate to the Keyword Overview tool within Semrush. This tool is essential when you want to get a comprehensive look at any keyword's performance. You'll find the option to access it generally located on the dashboard or via the main menu. It's a breeze to get to once you know where to look. With the Keyword Overview tool open, you will see a search bar. This is your primary interface for entering the keyword you want to investigate. Simply type your chosen keyword into this bar. Be specific to get the most relevant data back. Once you've entered your keyword, you'll need to consider the geographic scope of your research. Semrush allows you to tailor your search by region, city, or country. This ability is particularly useful if you're targeting a specific market or tailoring content for a local audience. So go ahead and choose the specific location where you want to examine the keyword's search volume. After you've selected your location, Semrush will generate a report. It will display the monthly search volume for your chosen keyword in that specific area. You'll see a wealth of data including the search volume numbers, which tell you how frequently that keyword is searched within the selected region. Additionally, the report provides other key metrics such as keyword difficulty and the cost per click or CPC, offering a more rounded view of the keyword's competitiveness and market value. This data can guide you in deciding how competitive the keyword is and how much it might cost to run ads targeting that keyword. And there you have it, an easy, efficient way to check your desired keyword's search volume using Semrush. It's a fantastic tool that provides invaluable insights to power your SEO strategy and enhance your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and happy keyword hunting.